Hello, this is Catherine from Quilt Direct, and today I'd like to show you how to use the automatic needle threader on the Bernina 7 series of sewing machines. I've already threaded the machine up to the point of the top of the needle, ensuring that the needle is in the needle up position using the button as shown and the presser foot in the up position. I'm now going to use the needle threader by just dropping it, taking the thread around the pillar, under the ridge and holding it parallel as I drop the needle threader through to the needle. The threader needs to wrap around the needle. I've taken the thread backwards and I've felt it drop behind the hook, and now I know that I can pull it back from the back of the needle and the machine is ready to sew.